Good day, everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden, actually in Fripp Island, South Carolina. Most of you know this plant I'm showing you called the Yucca. It's a great desert plant. It's great for arid conditions. Grows in full sun, doesn't need water, but it does, and there's some beautiful ones. But the problem with all yuccas is they are extraordinarily sharp. And they're certainly not a plant to put in a garden around kids, or in fact, I wouldn't put in a garden at all. But I just think they're way too much danger for the beauty they give. And to sort of show you a story about the, the dangers of a yucca, I'm with my daughter Laura. And say hi, Laura.
Hi, everybody.
And Laura lives in Macon, Georgia, and she moved into a home that had, and she's a great gardener, but it had a lot of yuccas. And so she decided that she was going to do something about these yuccas. So tell us what's the score here, Laura.
When we first moved in, there were probably about 3 nicely tamed yuccas. After 15 years, there were 17 to 20. I was ready to get rid of them. So I battled yuccas for about 3 weeks. I was properly clothed, leather gloves, long sleeve shirt and pants. I cut all the leaves off, macheted the stems, and began pulling them out of the ground. I was stuck multiple times.
And what happened?
And at one point, one stuck so badly, I didn't realize that it stuck into my knuckle. After about 3 weeks.
And this is with good gloves?
Good gloves. After about 3 weeks, my knuckle was swollen, it was red. I didn't feel very good, I had a headache. I eventually, on the urging of one of my occupational therapist friends, went to the orthopedic doctor and they took a look. And it ended up that I had a thorn, which we found out after surgery, stuck in my knuckle.
Let's see what happened here. This is now surgery for this darn yucca thing. So I'm going to show you, there's her finger from the top where they did surgery. It doesn't look too bad, but turn over and look at this. This is all because of one crappy yucca thorn. And so Laura, what's the prognosis here? What did they do?
They got the thorn, a foreign body. It was a thorn. I was out of work for 2 days. I'm doing occupational therapy for finger strengthening and movement.
It hurts, huh?
It hurts a lot. So just beware. Even in the most protective environment and doing the best you can, my husband said we should have paid somebody. But if we'd agreed to pay somebody, it never would have gotten done. So I guess I won after all.
Yeah. But the story here that Laura's telling and I'm telling you is these yuccas, okay, if you really have a place that's really arid and you don't know what to do with it, that's all well and good. But boy, oh boy, A, find somebody to plant them, B, find somebody to take them out, C, just don't put them in. But Laura, we're going to get back to you after.
Get back.
So what are you doing about this fingernail? It's therapy and...
Therapy and staying out of the water. We'll take my stitches out tonight. My sister will do that.
Oh boy, okay.
And that'll be fun after some wine.
After some wine, lots of wine. Well, everybody, it's a great talking with you. And Laura, thank you for doing this with us. And everybody beware, there's lots of things out there to get you. Yucca's being one of them. All right, all the best. See you soon.